Hello, my name is Odasha Dennis. I am the owner and founder of Hairvolutions LLC, located in Gilbert, Arizona. Hairvolutions specializes in extensions, color transformations, healthy hair, scalp care, and hair loss solutions. I have been in business for 2 years, and while I am a new business owner, I promise you I am not new to the hair industry. I have been passionate about hair since I was 11 years old. I taught myself how to do hair. I never thought that I would be able to do hair full time. I almost felt like it was a crime to do something that you're truly passionate about. So grateful that I was able to take a chance on myself and go to cosmetology school, and then shortly after that, start my very own business. While I'm grateful, I've had a ton of success doing the hard work myself. I am here to ask for some help. I am finally at the point where I'm ready to expand, to educate myself more, and to really dive deep down into the hair loss world. Unfortunately, so many women are experiencing hair loss, and I want to be the one that's helping with the solution. I want women to know that when they come to me and they sit in my chair, it's a safe place. I want to be able to show them different pieces and units that they can use. Most women feel like all they have to do is pop on a wig, but not everyone wants to wear a wig. Many people want to know what their solutions are and what options they have. There are even some individuals who only have hair loss in certain areas. So if you have hair loss only in the back but not in the crown area, what options are there for you? Many women don't know that they have options, and I am here to market, to educate, and to create a plan. And this business is about so much more than just hair. I created Hairvolutions to provide women with a safe space to feel comfortable and confident talking about their hair struggles, and me trying to find a solution for every single hair struggle. I work with clients who have alopecia, hair thinning, postpartum changes, thinning edges, for those simply wanting a solution, wanting beautiful hair, wanting to feel like themselves again. My goal is to restore confidence while educating, helping individuals to maintain their healthy hair at home. And I just want to quickly share a few milestones I've been so fortunate to experience. In 2025, I was in Keratin Complex's lookbook. In 2025, I was Modern Salon's top 100 hairstylist. My goal is and always has been to continue to invest in my career, to continue to learn and look for solutions to help everyone. There are an occasional time where someone will come to me with a problem that I haven't seen before. And unfortunately, we're living in a time where more and more women are experiencing hair loss at a rapid pace. Younger, I've seen women from all sorts experiencing this hair loss and thinning epidemic. I don't want to just change hair. I want to help women regain their confidence during the most vulnerable season of their life. And we all know hair is our crown. And I want women to feel like the queens that they truly are. Having a grant would help my business so much with purchasing inventory, marketing, taking additional extensions classes. I am looking to invest in salon equipment that allows me to examine the scalp, really diving deep into the hair loss world. My business is centered on education, compassion, and excellence. If you are able to help me in any type of way, whether that's funding, would definitely be the most helpful, any resources that I can tap into that would be so helpful to my Hairvolutions brand, I would be so greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for considering my application.